If you want to be notified whenever your email is being leaked, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AVG Antivirus to set up email notifications so that you can get notified whenever whenever your password has been leaked. So to do that, go ahead and open up the AVG Antivirus, guys, and you will see an option in the list here that basically says Ask Alert. So if you click on that, you can see here that it says that enter your email address to see if your password has been leaked, and you can go ahead and click add email, click on sign in. Over, you need to sign in with your account, so you need to create an account. Of course, if you don't have one, I'm going to quickly create an account right here, and once you're in that, you will be able to add your email address right here. So you'd have to tap on add email, and it's going to pull the email address of your account. So once you find the email address of your account, you can simply tap on add, and it's going to add your email right there. As you can see, it's going to check right now, and again, this is a free version of the app, so you will see that I have a lot of advertisements popping up here and there. And so in your case, if you're also using the free version of the app, you will see it doesn't limit you, just that it's pretty annoying at times when you have lots of advertisement, but that's how you can easily go ahead and set up. So here you will be able to see it, and it will show different breaches, when, which site, and so forth, right? So you can easily go ahead and see those different things here, guys. So as you can see right here, it shows that my password was found 3 times on 3 different websites back in 2020, 2020 again right there in different dates, and of course in 2021. So this is super valuable information, and this is going to help you to understand where your password was leaked, and so if you can change your password and so forth, that's going to help you to know that, hey, I need a password change and so forth. But that's it, guys. That's how you can easily get notified to know if your password has been leaked using the AVG antivirus.